So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, for the next step, you want to go to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. If you're getting this problem with Microsoft Office, then you want to scroll down until we find Microsoft Office. You want to click on the 3 dots and then click on modify and then click on yes. You want to try doing a quick repair first. Click on repair, see if that works. If not, then you want to do an online repair. Click on repair and then hopefully this will fix your problem. If you're getting this error with another application, then click on the 3 dots. If it says modify right here, you want to click on modify and then see if it lets you repair your program. If it does, then just go through the steps and then you want to repair your program. It might also be saying advanced options. If it does, you want to click on that. Then you want to scroll down and then click on terminate and then click on repair. See if that works. If not, then click on terminate and then click on reset. And you could also try doing a simple restart of your computer. Hopefully, one of these methods would have fixed your problem.